Today I will teach you how to create an invoice in your Zuper mobile app. In the top left hand corner, select the menu button. Then we're going to scroll down to Quotes and Invoices. Select Invoice. Now in the bottom right hand corner, click the orange plus icon. Now we have the new invoice screen. Here we enter a customer. We're going to go with Winston Walsh. Once we select the customer, if there is an organization correlated with them, the information will automatically be populated, along with the billing address. Next, we're going to associate a job by clicking the Add button. Now we toggle to the Jobs tab and we're going to select the job. Job 136, Visit for Winston Walsh. Then hit Next. Now we're at the primary details page where we can enter an invoice reference number and an invoice title. We can select the payment term, and we could also select the invoice date as well as the due date. Once we've completed all that information, we can see the line items necessary, which were correlated from the job: industrial kitchen clean and deep clean. We see all prices and additional taxes and fees. Following that, select Next. We see the customer, we see the organization, as well as the billing address correlated with the organization to the customer. We also see the service address. Now we can successfully create a new invoice. The invoice has successfully been created.
Thanks for watching.